Hey guys, it's Asia
and Sharice,
and we're here to share with you guys some of our top 5 mistakes, don't do. You know, these are things that you don't want to do when you are trading Forex, okay? Because Forex works, but you have to work, okay? Forex works, people don't. So we want to share with you guys exactly some of our mistakes that we personally made. Stevenson said it best: learn from other people's mistakes because you won't live long enough to learn from your own. So it's very important for you to really make sure that you're listening to people who have made the mistakes. Like, that's literally why we're sharing with you things that we have currently done, because we don't want you to come in and make the same mistakes that we've done. So definitely make sure that, you know, when you come in, you are coachable, because there's 1,000 different strategies to trade Forex. But if you don't hone in on one, if you don't listen to someone who's been through all the strategies, like, this works, like, this is what you need to stick to, this works, then you're gonna find yourself just giving money to the market. And if you wanna do that, I can drop my Cash App for you, okay? If you wanna throw away some money, Cash App below.
So we always encourage people to trade with a stop loss. Meaning, if the trade is not going in the direction that we thought it would, we have a stop loss set on our trade. Therefore, you will not lose a large amount of money.
Whenever you begin trading, it's important that you always put a stop loss on each and every single trade. The reason being is because you can never guarantee a win inside of the market. So if the trade ever decides to go against you, you can risk losing all of your money if you don't have a protective stop.
Instead of losing $55, you might lose $5 or $6.
Definitely. And I know early on, I definitely don't trade with a stop loss. And the problem with that is that, you know, you become married to a trade. So as you see it reversing, you're like, okay, my analysis told me that this is actually going to sell, but I see it going up right now, but I know it's going to sell because my analysis was good, so I'm gonna just stay in it. And before you know it, you in like a 100 pip drawdown, and you like, what the heck do I do? And then you don't know how to get out the trade. You might end up staying in the trade for weeks, months, may actually blow your account. So definitely trade with a stop loss. For me, one of the biggest mistakes that I made, and it's so funny because my mentor used to always say, like, Asia, you don't have to do all that. You don't have to do all that. And I used to be like, watch, I'm about to become a millionaire overnight.
Watch this.
Watch, I'm about to become a millionaire overnight.
Watch this.
Day 2.
And surely enough, he was right. Because you'll get into a trade and you'll be up in the trade. Like, you may be up like, you know, 100 pips. So 100 pips on a standard lot is $1,000, you know? So you may be up 100 pips and you're like, oh, this is good. Let me go ahead and put another lot on that, because this is my night. Like, I just hit the lotto tonight. And before you know it, the trade reverses. And now you just lost everything that you actually made because you were greedy. So having proper risk management is so important. Like, literally, risk management, you can have all of the technical analysis in the world, but if you have poor risk management, you will not be a profitable trader. And that's just the reality of it. So I definitely say, like, that's one of the most important things as well, is risk management. Another, I would say, like, is knowledge. But I know we have a system in our group where we actually can literally, like, have very little knowledge and be really profitable, because we've created this culture of people who are actually able to plug in, copy, paste, use our harmonic scanner, and be able to really just, you know, take the skill set to a whole new level. So here within our community, we actually have a beginner's training session where we actually will teach you how to fund your account, how to take partial profits and move your stop loss into profit. We'll tell you how to enter into the market, different structures and things like that. If you ever happen to miss the recording, we're always going to post the recordings here in our recording session. That's going to definitely get you into the trades and get you to really understanding things. We'll do live trading with Stevenson. We do live trainings with him every single Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. We actually have a schedule here that we do, and you'll see that we have the mindset with Clint. On Sundays, we have also Go Live with Stevenson, which is a platform where he actually will go over the entire market with you and tell you what moves to expect that week in the market and what positions he's going to be taking. And then what we'll do is we'll post those charts and those signals here so that you actually know when to get in, when to get out. You'll actually know why we're actually calling the buy or the sell for the particular currency pair. So the system that we've actually created is actually going to help you to avoid a lot of early mistakes that beginners traders use, simply because this community, as some of you who may have children say, it takes a village to raise a child. It also takes a village to raise a trader. So this community is going to definitely get you to the right steps, in addition to all the other resources and tools that we have to offer you. But I will say that a lot of people will come in and not try to apply anything. Like, will not come in and try to read about, you know, any, or plug into any of our beginners trainings and things like that. And that is the wrong thing to do. You actually have to have knowledge. Knowledge, risk management, and patience are going to be the three most important things that you really need to be profitable here. And I've been very impatient in the beginning of my trades. Like when I first started trading, you know, I was so impatient. I legit was the person who wanted to be the millionaire overnight. And when I see my trade down like $1 or $2, I would jump out of the trade. And the next day I would see my friend who took the same trade be up $1,000, up $100, up $20. I'm like, hold on, wait, I lost money. And it was because I wasn't patient enough. And actually Warren Buffett actually said that trading is none other than the exchange of money from the impatient to the patient. So if you can master that, then not only will you be an amazing trader, but you're actually going to be an amazing person. You're going to just be a better communicator in general within, you know, your own community, your own family, your work, wherever you may be working. So trading has taught me a lot of things about myself, other than just, you know, how to become financially free.
One really big thing for me is your mindset.
Yes.
You don't want to come into anything thinking that you know everything, or that you have all of the answers, or, oh, I watched this and I did one trade by myself and it went really well, so I don't need you guys anymore.
Yes.
You know? If you just have the mindset where, you know, I am learning daily and it is going to take time, and it's a skill set that I do want to learn, and I have the ability to learn it as long as I'm coachable and I really tap in and take the time necessary to learn. 100%. Mindset is a really, really big thing when it comes to trading. This
was something that was a side income for me.
Yeah.
It started off as just like, I want to make some money on the side. In fact, I actually am in a trade right now.
And you didn't tell me to get in a trade this morning.
I've been in this trade since Friday. And I'm currently up, you know, $31. Oops, hold on. Okay, okay, there it goes. I'm currently up $31 on this trade. So, I mean, I'm not even stressing. I'm literally sitting here talking to y'all, making money while I'm talking. And literally all I leverage, guys, I know this wasn't about that, but like, all I literally leveraged on this trade was 30 cents of my own money. How many people can sit here and say that they've literally took 30 cents and turned it into $30 legally? Because this is legal. Forex is 100% legal, guys. But Forex is not only a recession-proof way to make a lot of money in the market, or survive an economic crash, but it's a great way to stay familiar with current worldly events. Straight from Google. So, Google. So, you guys are gonna learn so much from us. I'm going to share with you guys everything. Sharice's going to share with you guys everything. We're on this journey together. So don't feel like that since we've been trading longer than you, that you're going to come in and feel completely lost. We're going to make sure that you are on this journey with us, that we put you into the mindset that you're going to need to be successful, have the knowledge that you're going to need to be successful, show you the risk management, the compound plan of how you can actually become successful, and make sure that, you know, you're plugged in to everything that we've had that's made us got us to where we are. So guys, those are our, I said it was gonna be top 5, but actually those were like 3. Those are our top 3 mistakes that most traders make when they come in. Actually 4, because we said mindset, risk management, we said stop loss, and we said patience.
Top 4.
Top 4, guys. So we will see y'all on the next video.
Bye, guys.
Bye, guys.